Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enable in-ear detection or how to disable it for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, but on the iPhone you can also use HUAWEI Connect, and I will tell you later how to enable or disable it using HUAWEI Connect, because it's a bit different. Open the application in HUAWEI Life, tap at your device's device list. In HUAWEI Connect it will open for you headphones menu automatically. Then scroll down at the HUAWEI Life and go to the settings. Right here at the top we have smart wear detection. To enable this mode you need to tap on time at the slider near to it. Once you enable it, now if you listen to music and remove your earbuds or listen to audio, it will automatically pause your audio. When you put them back, it will automatically to resume this audio. If you don't need it, tap one time again to disable this mode. If you use HUAWEI Connect, you need to also at the headphones menu scroll down and you need to find the button Wear Detection. Click at this button when you found it, and at the top you will find Wear Detection, so again you can enable it by tap at the slider or disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.